All right, welcome back. This is Scott Hamlin, and we're working on problem number 4, which is part of playing a hand. But the first thing we want to do is we have to calculate hand length, and this one's so easy. I can just get this knocked out pretty fast. Basically, you just want to add up all the integers in your dictionary. So let's make let's say we're going to return the length in the number of letters in the current hand. So let's see, let's make total letters equals 0, okay? And then for each element in hand, total letters plus equals hand and element, right? So you go through hand and just keep adding it, and then when you're done, you return total letters, which should be an integer, right? Oh, yep, string integer returns integer, adding an integer, so boom, returns total. So that should work just fine. Test on spider works. Okay, so there we go. There's problem 4. Let's see if we can do problem 5 right now too. Let's look at it. Let's see, there it is. Let me pull up the actual problem. Problem 5 on problem set 4. Okay, so we're down here to problem 3, problem 4. Here's problem 5. Okay, let's calculate hand length. Okay, now we're same file. Note that in the function play hand, there's a bunch of pseudocode. This pseudocode is provided to help guide you in writing your function. Check out the why pseudocode resource to learn more about the what and why of pseudocode before you start coding your solution. Well, I know about pseudocode. I should. No, do not assume that there will always be 7 letters in the hand. The parameter n represents the size of the hand. Yeah, okay. So go to problem 5 now. Supposedly how to figure this out. Okay. Play hand. You're getting a hand, and you got a word list, and you've got n, which is the size of the hand. Allows the user to play the given hand as follows. The hand is displayed. And the user may input a word or a single period, the string, saying that they're done playing. Okay. Invalid words are rejected, and a message is displayed asking the user to choose another word until they enter a valid word or that. When a valid word is entered, it uses up the letters from the hand. After every valid word, the score for that word is displayed. The remaining letters in the hand are displayed, and the user is asked to input another word. Sum of the word scores is displayed when the hand finishes. Hand finishes when there are no more unused letter. The user inputs a period. Okay. Maybe they're done playing. Okay. So I guess you can make as many words out of one hand. Hand displayed, and you input a word or a single period if they're done playing. Okay, so I guess you can put in as many words as you can with that hand. Begin pseudocode. Remove this comment when you code this function. Do your coding within the pseudocode, leaving those comments in place. Begin pseudocode. Okay, keep track of the total score. Okay, leaving those comments in place. Within, okay. Keep track of the total score. So, well, score equals 0. Okay. Is this, all right, that's where I'd want to put it. This is the one we're going to take away. Keep track of it. As long as there are still letters left in the hand, display the hand. So, well, right now I want to display the hand. So I want to call. Deal hand, right? Or display hand. Have we dealt a hand yet? Okay. Play. Well, that's playing the game. What is this? This is all under playing a hand, just playing a hand. So assume they've got a hand. So display the hand. So we're just going to display it. I'm not going to deal it. We're going to display hand. Display hand. Okay. So we are, sorry, up and down, but this is the best I can do here. Display hand. I think it's capital. I don't know. I'm probably lowercase. I'll check it out. Okay. Display hand. That's what I want to do. Okay. Is that the code? Display hand, capital H, hand. Okay. Displays the current letters in the hand. Okay. All right. Display hand. Ask user for input. So, okay. Go user input equals print equals input. I think that's how it goes, right? Not to go over to our handy dandy Python thing, syntax for input. Syntax user input. Just look at it. Pretty sure I got it right. It's like print, enter your name. Ask the user print. So enter your name. Oh, did I put Python? Yeah. That doesn't matter. Print hello plus X plus input, enter your name. Yeah, that should be right. Yeah, there we go. That's right. So we got that user input equals input. Okay, this is enter a valid word or period to complete round. Let's see. Is that how they best put it? Valid words. The message displayed asking you to choose another word until they enter a valid word or that. Enter a valid word or period to complete round. Okay. If the input is a single period and the game, break out the loop. Okay. Well, got that. Let's see. There. User input. If user input equals period. Break. That ends the game, huh? That's weird. All right, I got that, but is that how the game works? Hand finishes. Okay, well, all right, I guess. That's weird. Okay. This is just looking to get high scores. End the game, break out of the loop. Break. Okay. Otherwise, the input is not a single period. The word is not valid. Okay. 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 I think I want else. I think it's damn hard to do here. Else. See, it's, I don't know. It's probably, they don't line up with the darn. Can't tell. Okay. There we go. And then, there we go. No, I don't want that back there. Right there is good. Okay. The word is okay. Else, I want to check is valid. And that's is valid. Is valid word. Need this right here. Copy. It's going to return a Boolean. Okay. And now, so now we're right. Else. Okay. Else. Okay. Well, I don't need else. Just if we hit that. So now we're just right here. I don't need that. Did the if statement. And come back out here actually. So I'm not under the if. The if came in, right? Pop back out. It's a break. It's a lot of indentation, man. I don't like that. I don't like doing this in. I don't like doing this in. Okay, there we go. That looks better. Okay. All right, and the game break. Okay. Otherwise, input is not a single period. All right. All right, and if is valid, that's going to return true or false. Okay, word, hand, and word list. Hand, word list, and this is going to be user input. User input, okay. Hand and word list, okay. If that's true, if not, okay, not that, the word is not valid, okay, all right, and that should be while. I don't like that. I think it should have been up higher. Okay. Take a break for a minute. Okay, I'm back. I was just going through this and looking at the code. Oh, and I overlooked this. No, keep track of scores, but as long as there are still letters left in the hand. I was trying to figure out how I was going to keep looping here. And I go, oh, wait a minute, I missed this. While calculate hand length, hand greater than 0. Got 0, you don't need to be in this loop. And then they can exit at any time of the period. So we're going to keep going through this. So that's great. Because when we come around, display hand, enter a valid word, or that to enter. So here we go. So figured that out. And so user ends period, it's a break, end the game. Okay, boom. All right. Otherwise, and then we're going to break out of the loop. Hopefully this break is getting us out all the way. I believe it will. Maybe not. There we go. If the input is a single period, if break. Otherwise is not as else. See, that's if it's otherwise, so it needs to be else if. Elif is not a valid word. The word is not valid. Elif. So he has not broken out. It's not a valid word. Then I want to, if the word is not valid, reject the invalid word, print a message followed by a blank line. Okay, I'm going to go, we're going to go else, elif, let's see, print word is not valid. And then that's followed by a blank line. So I think that's and boom, should be it right there. Let me I'm gonna go to my spider side real quick. I just want to look here. Print 5 /n. And then I'm going to print 23. I don't think that. I think it's going to be. No, I don't want the end showing up. I think it's got to be in the comma. No, comma /n. I think that's what it is. I don't know. Let me see. Comma. Trying to work this out here on Spider. That's a problem. End's not defined. Geez. Comma. No. Yeah, well, let's see here. That damn thing work? I hate having to look everything up. Print skip a line. How do I specify? How do I print a line break? So stupid. I can't remember all this crap. Plus n. Which slash are you using? Oh, I got to use the other slash. Well, I was using it. I don't know which. I don't know. What slash am I supposed to use? That's a terrible answer here. I can just print that. Slash n. Let me try that. Well, I don't know if that works or not. Yeah, I think it did. I think it does. Let's see if that works. Yep, okay, all right, so it is that, parentheses. Okay. Plus that. Okay, reject invalid, print a message file by a blank line. There we go. Word is not valid. Okay. If. Otherwise, the word is valid. If, okay. Else if. Okay. And then we're going to go else. Otherwise, okay, so else. Oh, and this is not going to work. Else if that. Else, okay, it is. So we're going to, well, man, these comments in here don't help at all. So make it tell else. Tell the user how many points the word earned. Okay. And the update score in one line followed by a blank line. Okay. Print word scored plus, or you can just do word scored, comma, what's the definition? Play hand, calculate hand. No, it's valid word, updated hand, deal hand, display hand. I think it's one of the first ones. Get word score. Get word score. There we go. Copy. Okay. Okay, get word score. There's the word. N. Yes, there's N up there. Okay. All right. Scored. $23. Plus points. I think I can just do a comma. Points. B. Is. Okay. Updated total score. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I think I understand. Okay. That's get word score. Okay, I think I might have to score equals 0. Yeah, I need to put right here score plus equal get word score word in. Okay. All right, there we go. The word scored that many points. The updated score is score. And then there. And then right, there we go. Blank line. Update the hand. All right. Now we're going to update the hand. So we're going to go update hand. That returns new hand. I'm thinking you're going to go update the hand. Okay. Hand equals update hand. Hand and word. Okay. Okay, that's what hand equals. Game is over. Okay. Okay. So that gets to the end. Then we're going to come all the way back and while hand length greater than 0, it is. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go. Okay. Right. Okay. Game is over. All right. Okay. I don't think so. That's going to be, I need to go back. Okay. Game is over. Okay. All right. Print game over. Game over. Game over. No more letters. Are you stopped? Game over. Total score. Total score. Score. There we go. All right, I think that's it. Stop right there. But debug or test it later, right? It's hard to test right now. I'll be testing later on when we go on and try and run the thing.